Hi, our next topic is solution for two triangles. So far we have discussed questions on only one single triangle. What if we are given two triangles and find the height of the tree or mountain or cliff like that? For example, you have a tree, palm tree, and you are observing it from a distance x. An angle of elevation of the top of the palm tree will be some theta 1. If you are moving further away from the bottom of the palm tree, for example at point T, angle of elevation becomes theta 2 and you are given the distance CD D. If you are given this condition, how to find the height of the tree? Let's solve an example. Suppose you are observing the top of a palm tree at an angle of 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. The angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees when you move 11 meters. D is equal to 11 and this is equal to 30 degrees when you are moved 11 meters away from here. Let us find the height of the tree. How to find the height of the tree? So here we are doing, this is 45 degrees. In triangle ABC, tan C is equal to tan 45 degrees is equal to AB by BC, which is equal to 1 is equal to AB by x. Therefore AB is equal to x. So AB is equal to x. And in triangle ADB, tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side AB by adjacent side BD, which is equal to x by x plus 11. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by 3, which is equal to x by 11. So x plus 11 is equal to root 3x. X is equal to 11 by root 3 minus 1. We are asked to find the height of the palm tree. So height is 11 by root 3 minus 1. Let's solve one more question. Example 6. Two men on either side of a temple of 30-meter height. The height of the temple is 30 meters. Observe it top at an angle of elevation 30-60 respectively. So one is 30, other is 60. Let this be A, B, C, D. Find the distance between two men. So applying tan 30 in triangle ABC, tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side AC by adjacent side BC. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AC by AC is 30 by BC. So BC is equal to 30 root 3 meters. In triangle ACD, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side AC by adjacent side CD. Tan 60 is root 3, which is equal to AC is 30 by CD. CD is equal to 30 by root 3, which is equal to 10 root 3. Therefore, distance between the two persons is BD, which is equal to BC plus CD. BC is 30 root 3 plus CD is 10 root 3, which is equal to 40 root 3 meters. Seventh example. Let's do seventh example. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. Ramaya, standing at the top of the tower, observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degrees. The car is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So, initially, Rama is standing on top of tower. He is somewhere here. So, observing a car which is here at an angle 30 degrees. Angle of depression 30 degrees. The car is approaching the foot of the tower. So after 6 seconds, He observed it at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. Let this point be A, let this be B, C, D. So after 6 seconds, he is here and he is at an angle of depression of 60. So this will be 60 and this will be 30. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So let the height be h and BC be d and CD be x. Therefore, in triangle ABC, tan C or tan 60 degrees is equal to h by d. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to h by d. So d is equal to h is equal to root 3 d. This is equation 1. Now in triangle ABD, tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side AB by adjacent side BD, which is equal to h by d plus x. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to h is root 3d by d plus x. Therefore d plus x is equal to 3d, x is equal to 2d, or d is equal to x by 2 meters. So for x meters, time taken is 6 seconds. So for d, x by 2 meters, time will be 3 seconds. That's the answer. Now let's start exercise 12.2. First one. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of the road from the point on the other side directly opposite to the tower. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from this point, the line joining the point of the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the road. So here is a tower at a distance somewhere here. The angle of elevation is 60. And if he moves 10 meters further, the angle of elevation decreases to 30 degrees. Let height be this be AB, BC, CD. Now let height be h. In triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to AB by BC. Let BC be x is equal to h by x. So root 3 is equal to h by x. H is equal to root 3x. And in triangle ABD, tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side AB by BD, adjacent side, is equal to h by x plus 10, which is equal to root 3x by x plus 10. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to root 3x by x plus 10, implies x plus 10 is equal to 3x, implies x is equal to 5. We got x equal to 5, implies h is equal to 5 root 3 meters. So here width of the road is x is equal to 5 meters and height of the tower is 5 root 3. Let's solve second question. The 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meters in height from a point at certain distance. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 to 60 as he walks towards the temple. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. So there is a temple which height is 30 meter. So assume that he is somewhere here and he moves towards the temple, and the angle of elevation with this distance be x. Angle of elevation decreased from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. So let this be A, B, C and D. Let this distance be x. Now in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side AB by and given that height of the boy is 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. So this length will be 30 minus 1.5 is equal to 28.5 meters. Okay, it will be this will be tan 60 is AB by uh, adjacent side BC. So this will tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to AB 28.5 by BC. So BC is equal to 28.5 by root 3. Now in triangle ABD, tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side AB by adjacent side DB, which is equal to 28.5 by DB is x plus 28.5 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to 28.5 by root 3x plus 28.5 by root 3, which is equal to 28.5 root 3 by root 3x plus 28.5. So root 3x plus 28.5 is equal to 28.5 root 3 into root 3. Root 3x is equal to 28.5 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 28.5 into 2, which is equal to 5856 57. So x is equal to 57 by root 3, which is equal to 32.908 meters. Therefore, the distance he traveled is 32.9 meters. Third question. A statue stands on top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. Pedestal length is 2 meters. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60 degrees. So, top of the statue is 60 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. So this is 45. So this point will be A, B, C, D. Find the height of the statue. So here in triangle BCD, tan 45 degrees is equal to opposite side BC by adjacent side CD, which is equal to BC is 2 by CD. 1 is equal to 2 by CD. So CD is equal to 2 meters. So this is 2 meters. Now you have to find the height of the statue. Now in triangle ACD, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side AC by CD. So AC is equal to AB plus 2 by CD is 2. So root 3 is equal to AB plus 2 by 2. So AB is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2 meters. Let's solve fourth question. From the top of a building, the angle of elevation of top of a cell tower is 60 degrees. From a top of a building, the angle of elevation of top of a cell tower is 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees, and the angle of depression of a foot is 45 degrees, and this is 45 degrees. The distance of the building from the tower is 7. This is 7 meters. So this will be 45 degrees. Let height of the building be small b. Find the height of the tower. Let height of the tower be h. So this will be h, and this will be h minus b. A, B, C, D, E. Now in triangle BDE, tan 45 degrees is equal to BD by D, which is equal to B by 7. 1 is equal to B by 7, implies B is equal to 7 meters. So this is 7 and this is 7. Now this will be h minus 7. So and this will be 7. BC is equal to D is equal to 7. So now in triangle ACB, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side AC by adjacent side BC, which is equal to h minus 7 by 7. Tan 60 is 3, which is equal to h minus 7 by 7. Therefore h is equal to 7 root 3 plus 7. Now total height of the tower AE is equal to AC plus CE. AC is equal to H is equal to 7 root 3 plus 7, or simply 7 of root 3 plus 1. That's the answer, which is equal to 19.1, which is equal to 19.124 meters. Let's solve fifth question. The wire of length 18 meters had been tied with electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 with the ground. There is an electric pole and the wire is erected. The angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Let this be ABC. Because it was covering a long distance, it was cut and tied at an angle of elevation 60 with the ground. So this is cut and this is tied 60 degrees with the ground. How much length of the wire was cut? And the length of wire of length 18 meters. So initially this is given as 18 meters. So now in triangle ABC, sin 30 degrees is equal to AB by AC, which is equal to AB by 18 meters. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to AB by 18. So AB is equal to 18 by 2 is equal to 9 meters. Now in triangle AB, let this be D, ABD, sin 60 degrees is equal to AB by AD, which is AB is 9 by AD. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 9 by AD. Therefore AD is equal to 18 by root 3, which is equal to 6 root 3. Therefore length of wire cut is equal to, initially it is AC is 18 minus 6 root 3, which is equal to 6 times of 3 minus root 3 is equal to 7.608 meters. That's all. Sixth question. The angle of elevation of a top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30. Let this be building and this be tower. Angle of elevation foot of a tower is 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60. This is 60 degrees. The tower is 30 meters high. This is 30 meters high. Let this be A, B, C, D. The tower is, find the height of the building. So what you can do is, in triangle DBC, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side DC by adjacent side BC, which is equal to 30 by BC. Tan 60 is root 3, which is equal to 30 by BC. Therefore BC is equal to 30 by root 3, which is equal to 10 root 3. Now in triangle ABC, tan 30 is equal to height of the building AB by BC. This is equal to AB by 10 root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by 10 root 3. 3 with 3 can be cancelled. Plus AB is equal to 10 meters. Therefore height of the building is 10 meters. Now let's solve seventh question. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 125 feet. So this is 120 meters wide road, and there are two towers of equal height are standing against. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation on top of the poles are 60 degrees, and somewhere here point, this is 60 degrees and this is 30 degrees. Height be H. This be A, B, C, D, E respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of point from the poles. So you know that BC is equal to BD minus CD. BD is 120 meters minus, let this be x. So this will be 120 minus x. Now in triangle EDC, tan 60 degrees is equal to ED by CD, which is equal to h by x. Tan 60 is root 3, which is equal to h by x. Therefore h is equal to root 3x meters. Now in triangle ABC, tan 30 degrees is equal to AB by BC, which is equal to h by 120 minus x. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 120 minus x. So h is root 3x. This is 120 minus x. So 120 minus x is equal to 3x. Therefore 4x is equal to 120. X is equal to 30 meters. So this is 30 and this will be 90. We got this as 30. This length will be 90 meters. And the height will be h is equal to root 3x is equal to root 3 into 30 is equal to 30 root 3 meters. That's all we have. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance 4 meters and 9 meters. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance 4 meters and at a distance 9 meters. Find the height of the tower from the base of a tower. And the elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters, 9 meters means this will be 5. Let this be A, B, C, D. Is given. Find the height of the tower from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Find the height of the tower from the base of the tower and given these two angles are complementary. If this is x, this will be 90 minus x. So the height of the pole will be h. So in triangle ABC, tan of 90 minus x is equal to AB by BC, which is equal to tan 90 minus x is cot x is equal to AB is h by 4. So h is equal to 4 cot x. And in triangle ABD, tan x is equal to opposite side AB by BD, which is equal to AB by 9 or h by 9. Therefore tan x is equal to h by 9, and you know that here cot x is equal to h by 4 or tan x is equal to 4 by h. Therefore 4 by h is equal to h by 9. H square is equal to 9 4 36. So h is equal to 6 meters. Height of the pole is 6 meters. So the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 meters. So let this be somewhere here, let it be 60 degrees. Let this point be A, B, C. After the flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. After it has moved for 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. This point B, that is point B, D and E. So if the jet is flying at a constant rate of 1500 root 3 meters, and let this distance be x, this will also be x. Now in triangle ACB, tan 60 degrees is equal to AC by CB. So CB is equal to AC, which is AC is equal to 1500 root 3 by tan 60 is root 3. You cancel. So CB is 1500. This is 1500. Now in triangle DEB, tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side 1500 root 3 by EB, which is equal to 1500 root 3 by 1500 plus x. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to 1500 root 3 by 1500 plus x. So 1500 plus x is equal to 1500 into 3. X is equal to 1500 into 2 is equal to 3000 meters. We got x as 3000 meters. Now what you can do is, you have to find the velocity or speed. Speed is equal to distance by time, which is equal to 3000 by 15. 15 1 the 15 2. So this is equal to 200 meter per second. That's all. Last question. 10th question. The angle of elevation of a top of a tower from the foot of a building is let this be building, let this be tower. Foot of the building is 30 degrees, and the angle of elevation of top of the building from the foot of the tower is 60. This is 60 degrees. What is the ratio of heights of tower and building? Let this be A, B, C, D. Let this be H1. Let this be H2. We have to find H1 by H2 is equal to question mark. Now in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side AB by BC. Let BC be x is equal to H1 by x. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to H1 by x, or H1 is equal to 3x. Now in triangle PCD, tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side DC by adjacent side BC, which is equal to H2 by x. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to H2 by x. Therefore H2 is equal to x by root 3. H1 is 2, H2 is root 3x by x by root 3. We can cancel x and x. This will be equal to 3 by 1, or H1 is 2, H2 is equal to 3 is to 1. Therefore, ratio of the height of building to ratio of the height of building and height of the tower is 3 is to 1.